We must never forget that it is a constitution we are expounding. It is emphatically the province and duty of the judicial department to say what the law is. A legislative act contrary to the Constitution is not law. It is emphatically the province and duty of the judicial department to say what the law is. The people made the Constitution, and the people can unmake it. It is the creature of their own will, and lives only by their will. The power to tax is the power to destroy. A constitution is framed for ages to come, and is designed to approach immortality as nearly as human institutions can approach it. A corporation is an artificial being, invisible, intangible, and existing only in contemplation of law. An unlimited power to tax involves, necessarily, a power to destroy, because there is a limit beyond which no institution and no property can bear taxation. The law does not expect a man to be prepared to defend every act of his life which may be suddenly and without notice alleged against him. When a law is in its nature a contract, when absolute rights have vested under that contract, a repeal of the law cannot divest those rights. The Constitution controls any legislative act repugnant to it. What is it that makes us trust our judges? Their independence in office and manner of appointment. The Constitution is colorblind and neither knows nor tolerates classes among citizens. The subject is the execution of those great powers on which the welfare of a nation essentially depends. The acme of judicial distinction means the ability to look a lawyer straight in the eyes for 2 hours and not hear a damned word he said. But in view of the Constitution, in the eye of the law, there is in this country no superior, dominate, ruling classes of citizens. There is no caste here. The law regards man as man, and takes no account of his surroundings or of his color when his civil rights as guaranteed by the supreme law of the land are involved. What are the maxims of democracy? A strict observance of justice and public faith, and a steady adherence to virtue.